We have arrived at Dobie Meadows, and we're out where the wild horses are. This is a large herd, split into looks like two groups, and we come and visit them a couple times a year, a couple times a summer, and this is a pretty reliable water source for them. So I'm going to turn this camera around. I'm going to get a first look at them. And there they are. So we're going to walk over toward them. They're pretty much on the other side of the water, so we're not going to be able to get as close as maybe we'd like. But I think Dusty can get pretty close to them, I think. You can see how large this herd is. As we were driving up, a couple of them were really feisty. They were jumping at each other. It's in the morning, and maybe this is when they're a little bit more active. But you can see how much water and green grass there is in Dobie Meadow, and that's why the horses are here.